Welcome to Pbteck. I'm Prince, and today I'm gonna actually show you how you can connect two satellite dishes, having two separate satellite signal and one antenna. So which means you are having two satellite signal and one antenna signal, and you are passing it through just one cable. So you are doing an installation whereby they have already laid one cable in the building, and you can't lay any other cable aside that cable, and you are to pass three different signal cables through this one cable, and whereby you have two separate satellite signal cables and one antenna signal cable. All right, so the first thing you need to do is to find a way to gather the two signal cable to become just one cable, and you will need the help of a dissect to do the setup. Okay, so you need a dissect. This is a 4-in-1 dissect. You can buy 2-in-1, but a 4-in-1 is the most common that you can find it out there. Okay, so you get a dissect and then connect one satellite cable or the signal cable to one port of the dissect, and then you take note of the port number, because the number will be needed in the installation visit whenever you are trying to get a signal over there. Okay, and then another cable to another port of the dissect. All right, and then you add your receiver cable over here. Okay, so your receiver cable comes here. All right, okay, so now you have your dissect, which will help you to gather the signal cable for it to become one cable over here. And we have another two cables that you need to combine. So we have the signal, the antenna cable over here, and then the cable from your dissect receiving ports. Okay, so here you need a diplacer to combine this two satellite signal to become just one cable or pass through one cable. So you need a diplacer. We have a 2-core diplacer, of which have both satellite and antenna ports for you to get both signal on just one cable. Okay, so you connect the receiver port or the receiver cable from the dissect onto the satellite port of the diplacer or the signal combiner. Okay, and then the cable from your antenna comes to the antenna port of the diplacer. Okay, so at the receiver port of the diplacer, that's where you need to connect the cable that they have already laid in the building. So you connect that cable at the receiving end of the diplacer. All right, okay, and then at the receiving end of the cable that they have already laid in the building, you need to add another diplacer over there for you to separate the signal for each decoder. Okay, or for each port. If it happens to be that there is just one receiver and you are doing this installation, for it to get each port the signal. Okay, so you get a diplacer right here, and then this time around you need to turn the diplacer around. The receiving ports have to come here at the receiving end of the cable they have already labeled or they have already laid. Okay, so it will be like this, and then connect one cable to each port. So one cable at the satellite port and another cable at the antenna port. So the satellite side goes to your satellite receiver or the LNB port of your decoder, and then the antenna side goes to the antenna port of your receiver or the antenna if you are using any receiver for combo or terrestrial channels. Okay, All right, and if the satellites, you have two different satellite decoders and you are to split it to each decoder, you need a signal splitter at the end of the satellite side of the diplacer. Okay, so it should be like this, and then you connect cable over here to split the signal to each satellite receiver. So it's very simple. You need one dissect and two diplacer. Okay, so I'm gonna check the signal whether it's working. So from a dissect to the diplacer, and then from diplacer to another diplacer over here. But this time around, you need to turn it around like this, and then to a signal splitter in case you have two satellite receivers receiving the satellite signal. So to the splitter over here. All right. So let me check the antenna signal for you to know this setup works. Okay. 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 So since the satellite does not have any signal, I can't show you whether it's working or not, but it works. Okay. So with the antenna, you're gonna get a signal with this setup. All right. So if today happens to be your first time being here or your first time watching this channel, just subscribe to the channel, like the video, share on all platforms that accept YouTube videos, and you'll be blessed. All right, thanks for watching. Bless up.